at a stranger's reaction. I'm going to self-destruct for somebody I don't know. Action? What the hell is that? You piss me off, so therefore look at me. Boom, 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 boom. This is cool. So you begin to do emotional detachment, things like that. I'm going to also, by the way, the people with the pain, how's your pain? Is the pain all gone? Hallelujah. I'm telling you, get away. Manny, the white tent is happening, okay? Wake up, America. Hallelujah. Here we are. I'm going to go ahead and talk a little more about the herbs that you can plant, the things you can do at home. One of the things you can do at home is pretty much get away from all the chemicals. We talked about if you want to make bleach, you do what they do in the jungles in South America. You take water and you squeeze a lime, a whole lime in there, not the lime juice in a bottle, you know? A whole lime, close it, and in a week, that's bleach. Will bleach clothes? Will bleach anything. I'd rather have the Red Cross tell you guys, to tell us when a hurricane comes, listen, instead of putting bleach in your drinking water, which is bleach is a carcinogen, you know what I mean? Why don't you just squeeze a lime in it? And it's a healthier thing, and it will also preserve that water. So you want to do that if you want to use bleach. If not, I will eliminate anything that is responsible for causing any of the illnesses that we have. To include electromagnetic field. If you have anything plugged around your bedroom, next to you, that might be the reason you're not sleeping. If you have particle board and you have it over the window, that might be the reason you're not sleeping, and so forth. Do we have any questions on health? You can, yes?
Oh, I just wanted to say, my husband's manager, because I unplugged everything in the bedroom.
That is one of the problems. A lot of pissed up people that are walking around with blue bottles on their nose.
Is this lime water in the bathroom on the mildew and stuff?
Uh-huh.
How much water to a whole water?
Okay, well, if you're going to make bleach, it's a gallon of water. You buy a gallon of water and squeeze a lime in it. One lime, close and put it to the side. In a week, you can use it as regular bleach. But use baking soda. Don't use Bonami or anything that has talc. Talc is a cancer-causing chemical. Talc. Yes, talc. T-A-L-C. Is a cancer drug. It's in the list of the government's carcinogens. I'm going to... Soap nuts? Yes.
I plug for soap nuts.
Judas wants to plug soap nuts. Soap nuts, they're a different type of nuts.
Berry in
No, they're very slippery.
I saw soap nuts at my shop. It's taken me a long time to find them where I could actually afford to buy them. You can find them online, but they're expensive, and I have them fairly reasonable now. But they're a berry, a tree, and that's what they use for soap. And I sold them in little bags, and you throw them in your laundry, and that's what I use for soap. And they're organic, and they're hypoallergenic, and they're good for about 5 or 6, sometimes 7 laundry days. And I sew a bunch of, I do my own, I sew them in the little bags. And you know what, I use that instead of laundry or soap.
I don't know. This is from another country. I don't work with it. But we can find it for you. Okay? Because you can plant them.
Well, we might be able to grow it here. It might even be here already.
By the way, this is from the Friends of the Park. This person here actually has a non-for-profit that began to help this park out. One of the first ones to do that. So this is a very nice person sitting here. She has helped a lot the park and has helped many of the things that you see in the park in Kansas for many years. It's good to have you there.
Well,
She also grows a lot of stuff.
well, the thing is, we need to help the park a lot more. So I'm going to try to get involved with you all. We're going to try to do some fundraisers. I have some nice clients who are willing to donate some money, and let's see what we can do to get the park where we want it.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Now, I'm gonna give you a couple of things that it's easy to replace. And then we're gonna go and give you some cleaning different things. But right now, if I were to tell you that to put 3 carcinogens on your lymph nodes, you will go, what the hell is that? But you're doing it every day with your deodorant. And it's in the list of the government's carcinogen. Dioxin, formaldehyde, and aluminum. And if you tell me that you use the rock in the velvet thing, that's aluminum. That's why you cannot put water on that thing, because it closes your pores. Each of them is a carcinogen in itself. As a synergy, the studies have shown that synergy is multiplied by 1,000. By 1,000. The little bottle is going around that says de-stress. That is a synergy of essential oils. Of ylang-ylang, orange, and patchouli. That one is the one that we use if you want to enjoy traffic in Miami. And it works. You get to see everybody else with their veins popping up here and go, check it out. It really gets red. So you want to replace it with something very basic. Milk and magnesia. You just take milk and magnesia, open it up, well, open it up, shake it first, open it up, put a little dab, go like this, go like that, and it's done. You will not smell. And
Run 5 miles.
I don't know what I was doing. What the hell was doing? I am doing. Okay, now. You have to do it. Who has to do it most? Anybody who's at risk of breast cancer or any other type of cancer or immune deficiency, the old and the young. Okay, that's the 3 chemicals that you're taking out. Now, I'm going to pass, by the way, orange essential oils, 40 drops of orange essential oils in a spray bottle, fill it up with water, that replaces your ammonia any day. And it does a very good job. Orange essential oils. I'm going to pass lavender because lavender is the one that I use the most, and it's the one that I have seen almost miracles happen. There's a study in 1992, 93 from the Cancer Research Institute that they stated that by using lavender essential oils in tumors in mice, they had an 87% reduction of tumors. And of course, in their format, they have to do more research and so forth, and they were taking a pill form. But since I work in an area that is complementary medicine, not yet proven by science, I don't have to. I can use common sense and begin to splash lavender on breast tumors. For 20 years, this is what I have seen, which is amazing. I can look at somebody in the eyes that has a breast tumor and say, listen, if you can feel it, in 3 days, you will be 50% less. That's what I have seen. I can look at somebody in the eyes, because false hope is not with that. And I'm out to prove it wrong. And what I'm seeing is too many things here. I can look at somebody in the eyes and say, in 30 to 45 days, it's gone. Somebody has ovarian cyst, 3 baths with lavender. Oh, here I'm using it.
That's ylang-ylang.
That's ylang-ylang?
We have to look.
3 baths of lavender per week in 40 days, ovarian cyst are gone. Multiple tumors in the stomach. That 40 days from the time they came to see me, they were going to take part of the stomach out for the lady to survive. When the time came, application of lavender in external, and because the flavor of the tea is the essential oils, we're going to go to lavender flower tea and make sure she drinks that too, 4 or 6 cups a day. When she got to the time of the operation, she only had 1 tumor left. They have to do. Now what happens is that the cot infected in the hospital. So I'm going, come on, send her home, send her home, send her home, because in the hospital it's FDA territory. There's nothing that can be done unless it's FDA approved. Once they send her home, then lavender closes the open sore within 72 hours. From the bottom up. From the bottom up. You got it. Which I have a hard time doing it because usually close